Hello friends, now I'm going to discuss Junior English Book 1 page number 42 and today's topic is In the Woods. This is actually a comprehension. We have to read this first time and after that we will get some question and we will answer this. So let's start to read first time. Here it's written, Carol and her younger sister Mary went for a walk in the woods one day. They took their dog Sammy with them. Sammy ran on in front of them. He knew the way very well, for he had been there many times before. The children found some bluebells growing in the woods, so they picked a bunch for their mother. While they were doing this, Sammy saw a rabbit sitting under a tree. He barked loudly and ran after it. But he did not catch it, for the rabbit ran into a hole in the ground. So interesting story. Let's see what questions are here. Here it's written true or false, means there are some questions. We will read this and after that we'll write this statement is true or false. Okay, Carol is older than Mary. What is written here? We can see Carol and her younger sister Mary. So this is true and that's why we will write here true. Next one, Sammy catches a rabbit. Let's see what is written here. Sammy ran in front of them. He knew the way. No, here is no rabbit. Here is a rabbit. Sammy saw a rabbit sitting under a tree. He barked loudly and ran after it, but he did not catch it. So this statement is false. Sammy catches a rabbit. He was not able to catch the rabbit, so we will write here false. 3 number, Sammy has been to these woods before. We know this is true. Here it's written, Sammy ran on in front of them. He knew the way very well. Now, what will be the answer? Sammy has been to these woods before. Yes, we will write here true. 4 number, the rabbit barks when it sees Sammy. This is not true. What he did, Sammy saw a rabbit sitting under a tree. He barked loudly and ran after it, but he did not catch. Who barked? Sammy barked. The rabbit did not bark. So we will write what? We will write here false. In this place we can write false. False. 5 number, Sammy gets stuck in a rabbit hole. No, we did not get it. So let's read what is written. But he did not catch it, for the rabbit ran into a hole in the ground. So Sammy could not reach over there, means Sammy gets stuck in a rabbit hole. It is not correct. So that's why we will write here also false. 6 number, the children pick flowers for their mother. This is, I think, true. Why? It is written here. The children found some bluebells growing in the woods, so they picked a bunch for their mother. So this statement is true. We'll write here true. 7 number, the rabbit chases Sammy. No, Sammy did it. Sammy saw a rabbit sitting under a tree, barked loudly and ran after it. So this one is not correct, so we will write here false. 8 number, Mary and Carol pick a lot of primroses. No, it's not correct. They picked bluebells. We will write here what? We will write here false. 9 number, Carol and Mary are sisters. What we have got here, Carol and her younger sister Mary, so of course they are sister and we will write here true. Next one, last one, 10 number, catch rhymes with watch. No, we do not need to read this because catch, watch cannot be rhymes, so we will write here false. So this is today we have done page number 42 from Junior English book 1. The topic is in the woods. By for today, next we will do page number 43.